Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Garl and I'm here with your second OG lesson for the week, and we have lots to do, so let's get started. A vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. A consonant is all other letters. Here are the short vowels. A, A, I. Very good job. We're going to do both sounds of your vowels. Here we go. A, O. I. E. A. U, oo. Very good job. All right. We are officially retiring the H brothers. All right, and I am adding these yellow cards, which are called blends. Blends are letters that work together to make a sound. Sl, sk, sm, sn, spa, sta, swa, stra, squa, spra, spla, scra, ska, shra, twa, blah, cla, fla, gla, pla, bra, cra, dra, fra, gra, pra, tra, gt, ft, old, nt, pt, nd, mp, nch, ok, thra. Very good job. All right, since we just went through all of those blends and they were all consonant sounds, I am going to let you skip the consonant sounds today. Just remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y, and the consonants are all other letters. Al, add a P. All, add a sm. Ang, ing, ong, ung. Add a h. Hang, hing, hong, hung. Ank, ink, onk, unk. Add a sta. Stank, stink, stonk, stunk. Very good. All right. Bead checker. Let me shuffle these up. Get out your bead checker while you're waiting. And here we go. You're supposed to say bee or not a bee. Very good. A syllable is a word or part of a word with only one vowel sound. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, z is spelled ZZ. You can say these with me. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ul is spelled LL. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, f is spelled FF. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, s is spelled SS. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, k is spelled CK. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled TCH. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, j is spelled DGE. All right. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a word that changes the meaning. All right, here are some suffixes. Ust, s, uz, d, t, ing, and li. Very good job. Remember that we learned that when you add a Y to the end of a word, it makes the long E sound. E. Like happy, runny. Okay, softly, that would be the li, L-Y. All right. Don't forget to be doing in your writing the 1 + 1 + 1. If you have a one-syllable word, one short vowel, one final consonant, you are going to double the final consonant before you add a vowel suffix. Here's run, turning into running. And remember, the first part, the regular part of the word is called the base word or the root word, and then the ending is called the suffix. A compound word is when you take two small words and put them together to make one bigger word. And now we are going to talk a little bit more about the silent E or the magic E. When you add the magic E or the silent E to the end of your word, it makes the vowel in the word change from a short vowel like A to the long sound A, or it changes I to I, or maybe it changes to U, and then this does not make a sound on the end of the word. It's silent. That's why we call it the silent E. Okay? Let me give you some words to practice. Ready? Rat, rat. Rate. Fat. Tape. Gap. Fate. Let me grab that word, fat, if I can find it. Here it is. So you see here, this one has the short sound, at. And when you add the magic E, it changes that vowel sound to say a, fate, fate. Hat, hate. We do not like that word very much. Pal, pale, mad, plain, made, tap, plan, and gape. Gape is kind of when you stare at something. Gape. Okay. I think we are ready to look at our words for today. Hopefully, there we go. Now you can see them. All right. Repeat after me. Distant, shipment, happy, licked, rolled, landed, robbed, topped, flipped, flake. Very good. Now you'll notice on robbed, tapped, and flipped, you're doing the 1 plus 1 plus 1. The base word or the root word is rob. But when you add the duh on the end, it's a one-syllable word, one short vowel, one final consonant. So you have to double that final consonant before you add the ed. Same thing with tap. Here's your root word, tap. You have to double the final consonant before you add the ed. And the same thing with flipped. Here's your root word, flip. And then you double it and then add the suffix on the end. Okay? All right, let's say them medium fast, and this time you do not have to repeat after me. Distant, shipment, happy, licked, rolled, landed, robbed, tapped, flipped, and flake. I'm looking for a word that is the antonym for sad. The antonym for sad. If you said happy, you are correct. Antonym means opposite. I'm looking for a word that is the synonym for far. It's a synonym for far. If you said distant, you are correct. If something is distant, it is far away. I think that there might be two words on this list that could be synonyms for each other. Do you think you can find two words on my list that could be synonyms for each other? How about rolled and flipped? Do you think those are synonyms? You could roll over or you could flip over. Good job. Okay, I'm looking for the only word on my list that has a silent E. Flake. If you said flake, you are correct. I'm looking for a word that means something that you might do with a package, or maybe if you receive a package. If you said shipment, you are correct. Shipment. Shipment's kind of a big word, but it's not really a compound word. It does have ship in it, but I don't think this mint is actually a word. Shipment. Okay. I'm looking for a word that is a sound that you can make. A sound you can make. If you said tapped, you are correct. You can tap on something and that would make a sound. All right, let's start reading. Here we go. Distant, shipment, happy, licked, rolled, landed, robbed, tapped, flipped, flake. A little faster. Distant, shipment, happy, licked, rolled, landed, robbed, tapped, flipped, flake. All right. Are you ready to play Beat the Teacher? Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Did you do it? Did you beat the teacher? I hope you did. If you didn't, just keep practicing your reading and you're going to get it. And remember to try to follow all of these OG rules when you are doing writing. And your teachers would be very happy about that because your writing will get better and better. All right, well, have a good day and I'll see you soon. Bye.